Hi everybody, today I want to show you some killer features from an exciting new article spinner called SpinChimp. One of the great things about SpinChimp is that it lets us click and drag a text file from Windows Explorer directly into the SpinChimp document editor. Another great thing about SpinChimp is once that article is inside the SpinChimp document editor, we can quickly and easily automatically add spin to this article using the global spin feature. As you can see, the article is already heavily spun. SpinChimp calculates that it is spun to a spin percentage around 45%. However, if you're not happy with the spin percentage or don't like any of the substitutions that SpinChimp has automatically added, we can easily add and remove spin using the rapid spin panel. And I'll just click to add in some spin and then click again to remove existing spin. Another way to add spin into the document is via a right-click context-sensitive menu. And with this context-sensitive menu, we can add in multiple amounts of spin. Another great thing about SpinChimp is that it supports multiple documents through a tabbed interface. And the great thing about global spin is that we can apply it to all those tabs at once. Another great thing about SpinChimp is that the synonym database that we see for all the words is updated daily. However, while these updates occur when you're online, there is absolutely no need to use SpinChimp online. It can be used and fully functional as an offline spinner. Besides the rapid spin that I've already showed you, SpinChimp supports other multiple ways of spinning your document. Another one of these is the quick spin panel. In the quick spin panel, we can add and remove spin, just as we could in the rapid spin panel. Also in the quick spin panel, you'll see these bananas shown down the left. They designate the quality or the value of the substitution for the existing word. However, if you like a word that's further down for that word and want it to be higher in the list, you can right click and favorite that word and it will be shown at the top of the list. Alternatively, if there's a substitution in the list that you don't like, you can right click on that substitution and say hate, and once we hate that word, it will be removed from the list. The other option you have is if you don't like or you can't find the substitution that you want to make in that list, you can add your own synonym replacement. Simply by typing in the add panel and clicking add. And now you'll see that that is there as a user added synonym for that word. One of the other spinners that SpinChimp supports is the sentence spinner. In the sentence spinner, we are able to spin or add spin for a complete sentence. Simply by typing in and clicking enter or add. With sentence spin, you can also add multiple spins for the one sentence. SpinChimp also has a nice feature of being able to add spin inside the sentence, and we can add spin automatically using the spin button. As you can see, the sentence is now spun, and we can add that to the document. SpinChimp also supports another spinner called paragraph spin. With paragraph spin, we can add spin for a complete paragraph. Just like the sentence spinner, we are also able to automatically spin the text that we are adding as paragraph spin, and then we can add that to the document. Not only can SpinChimp do all this, but it also comes equipped with a fully functional document editor. SpinChimp has formatting, alignment, numbering, indenting, bold, underline, italics. The great thing about this formatting is that all formatting in the editor can even export as HTML. You'll also notice that the document in SpinChimp has a great color coding system that allows you to easily identify levels of spin using blue, green and other colors, and also parts of the document that aren't spun. SpinChimp also comes equipped with a spell check editor that will check your document for spelling errors. Words that are spelt wrong are shown in red, and you can right click and get some examples of what this might be. SpinChimp also has 3 document views that allows you to see the original document using the original view without any spin, and also the spin view, which will show you an example of a spun version of the document. Successive clicks on the spin view will show you a different version. Okay, now that we've got our article that is spun, we can then make this we can generate the spin versions of this article using the Export tab. SpinChimp supports signatures on the export and can support multiple signatures. To add a signature, you simply just open up the Many Signatures form and you type into a new row. SpinChimp also supports export profiles with a number of export profiles set up by default. You can either modify these profiles or you can add your own profile as a new profile. Another great feature of SpinChimp is to automatically submit to WordPress sites. If you have a blog that you want to add your article to, you simply add that website in the WordPress add website form. Once your site, so you can have multiple sites in there, and once your sites are listed, you simply click on submit to WordPress, and that'll come up with this form where you can select out of the sites that you've added the title of the post, the category of the post, and meta keywords. And then once you have selected all those things, you can simply click submit and it will submit it to your WordPress site. Okay, let's try a export. With the export manager, we can select which profiles we want to spin, the path of the spin and the number of copies, and then simply click export. You can see here that the system log will show you the status of the export, and it says that the export's complete. And if we go to that path, we'll see that it's created a folder for us with all these spin. And you can see there each version of the spin. While I've already demonstrated to you some amazing killer features of SpinChimp, there are many other features that it contains, and I suggest that you try these out for yourself. Thanks everyone.